In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase cell size by resizing rows in Sheets step by step. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser and creating a blank spreadsheet. Once it loads, click on Untitled Spreadsheet in the top left title box. Now type the name you want for this spreadsheet, and when you're done, press Enter to save it. Next, we're going to add some sample data so the row height change is easy to see later on. Click cell A1 in the grid and type the first header into that cell. After that, click cell B1 and type the second header right there. Now click cell A2 and go ahead and type the first project name into that cell. Once that's in, click cell B2 and type the first update for that project. Move down to cell A3 and type the second project name there. Then click cell B3 and type the second update to go alongside it. With your sample data in place, it's time to make one row taller by dragging its row boundary. Look at the left side of the sheet and click row number 2 to select the entire row. Now hover your cursor over the line between row 2 and row 3 until it changes shape. Then drag that line downward until row 2 becomes much taller than the default rows around it. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Now let's set an exact height for multiple rows at once. On the left side of the sheet, click row number 3 to select it. Then hold the Shift key and click row number 5, which will select rows 3, 4, and 5 together. With those rows highlighted, right-click on row number 3 to bring up the menu. From that menu, click Resize Rows. A small dialog box will appear, so type the row height you want in pixels into the field. Once that's entered, click OK to apply the change. And that's the result. Row 2 is taller from the manual resize you did by dragging, and rows 3 through 5 now share the exact height you set in the dialog box. The increased row height gives more vertical space inside the cells, making the sheet easier to read, and it nicely shows how row resizing affects all the cells in that row at the same time.